In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Monday.com API keys step by step. Whether you're setting up an integration, connecting Monday.com to another app, or working with automation tools, your personal API token is what allows secure access to your account. Don't worry, this only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through everything clearly so you don't miss anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Monday.com account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This is the screen where you can see your boards, updates, and workspace overview. Once you're here, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or avatar. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings. From that drop-down menu, select Administration. Keep in mind that if you don't see the Administration option, you may not have the required permissions. In that case, you'll need to be an admin on your Monday.com account to access API settings. Once you click on Administration, you'll be taken to the Admin panel where you can manage account-level settings. Now that you're inside the Administration area, look to the left-hand side menu. You'll see a list of different sections such as Users, Security, and other account configurations. From this left menu, click on Connections. This section is where Monday.com manages integrations, API access, and connected services. Take your time to make sure you're in the correct section before moving to the next step. After clicking on Connections, look for the option labeled Personal API Token. Go ahead and select Personal API Token. This is where your unique API key is stored. On this page, you'll either see an existing API token already generated for your account, or you'll see an option to generate one. If you already have a token visible, you can simply copy it. Make sure to store it somewhere secure, like a password manager, because this key provides access to your Monday.com data. You should never share your API key publicly or send it through unsecured messages. If you don't see a token yet, click on the Generate button. Monday.com will instantly create a new personal API token for you. Once it appears, copy it immediately and store it safely. Just like that, you now have your Monday.com API key ready to use for integrations, automations, or developer tools. One important thing to remember is that your API token acts like a password for external apps. If you ever believe it has been exposed, you can come back to the same section and regenerate a new token. That will invalidate the old one and keep your account secure. And that's it. That's exactly how to find your Monday.com API key quickly and safely. As a quick recap, click your profile picture, go to Administration, select Connections from the left menu, and then open Personal API Token to view or generate your key. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.